Hello, welcome back to another tutorial for you today. Today I've got a Tab A 10.1, it's 2019. The model is an SM-T510 and the fault I have is that it comes up with a yellow triangle exclamation mark, water damage, saying that when I plug the charger in that it's been water damaged and it won't charge. I've already tried the necessary point of cleaning the port, alcohol, to brush. I've dried it out, I've tried everything, and we're going to have to replace the port. So it's not an easy job because the actual glass has to come out on this. So we'll show you what we do to replace the port in one of these Tab A 2019 version, and we'll go and get started. Back shortly. Okay, so what I've done, I've had this on the hot bed machine for 10 minutes on 80 degrees, and now I've already started picking the screen off here. What I've done is got this blade, and I've just picked up a little bit of an edge here with just a very short edge, and then I've got the playing card, and very carefully I've cut along the edge. Okay, just got to be careful because there's a flex cable down about here at the bottom, so you've got to make sure that you don't go cutting into there too far. So I'm just going to cut around there, and I'm going to stop about there. Okay, so I'm just cutting through the top here. You can use playing cards, but sometimes I use hard plastic. I just find sometimes it cut through that a little bit better. Just the top and the bottom's the hardest because it's got more adhesive there. Once we get this top cut through, we took putting a bit of white heat, more heat onto the glass. It's just try to keep it warm, keep that adhesive soft. Don't want to put too much heat on the LCD because you'll burn it. That's why I'm touching it with my hand, just make sure I've just got it hot enough just to touch. You don't want to cut too far in because you'll cut into the LCD, so I'll just use your hand as a guide. Okay, got to slowly work your way. There's no quick way of doing these. You can use a playing card, you can use a bit of hard plastic like I've got there. It's getting there. A bit more heat. Back shortly, got a customer back shortly. Right, back on this tablet. Once again, a little bit of heat. Bleeding everywhere here. Getting there. Like so. We're getting there, we're getting there. Now, I don't have to do too much at the bottom, it's going to relax itself here. See what I mean about those connectors there? So, just got to be careful. That one there, about there. Don't want to pull on that one there too much. Don't want to pull on that there too much, otherwise you're going to put a flex cable. Okay, there we have it. green separated. LCD's out. Okay. Looks like it's all in one piece to me. Looking good. We'll put that aside. Put that aside. I'll just adjust the old camera up a bit here. Okay. That's the worst part done. What we're going to do now, we're going to do all these screws here. All these screws right around here. And I'll come back shortly when all those screws are all undone, okay? Okay, I've got all the screws removed. So it's a matter of now of just taking the SD card slot out. Okay, and all we have to really do is get a little bit of an edge going on here, and basically unclip the whole sub chassis. Okay, there's our charge port. So all we have to do now is just basically unclip the sub cable, the left and right speakers. Charge port's got no screws, little clip on here, just get under there, pull the old charge port out, put the new charge port in, make sure it's all clipped in, put your connectors back on, like so, make sure that's all, yep. Put our frame back on. SD card back in. That's all in. Then all we've got to do is put our screws back in and we'll be able to test. So I'll put all the screws back in and I'll be back shortly and we'll give that a LCD test. Okay, so I've got all my screws back in here, and I'm just going to plug the LCD in, just to see if it's going to, just for a test here. So make sure we've got that the right way around. So, charger back in. So that's working now, that's now charging. Our LCD looks okay. So now we'll get that back, completely back assembled. I'm not going to use 7000 glue because if I use 7000 adhesive to get the screen back in, customer comes back, I may not get back out next time. So I'm going to go the original old-fashioned stick-on adhesive method, okay, which I'll do shortly. Okay, just got this tablet back, so I'm just cleaning up old adhesive on the edges here. Okay. I've already heated that up and I've taken the adhesive off there. Old adhesive. Back shortly. Okay. The thing is, if we use 7000 adhesive on this, we may not be able to get the screen out again if we've got to replace the battery or something like that in the future. So I'm going to use the old-fashioned method with the old tape. The old tape method. Okay. Clean all the old adhesive off. It might be out, so it might be yelling, so I'll try and tone it down a bit. What we got? We got that one there, little one here. Just trimming those down a bit there. These side bits here. Just cut the hole for the camera. Wouldn't mind a bit more. As I said, I'm doing this the old-fashioned way because I want to be able to get the screen out again if I have to. You want to glue the bloody thing 7000, you might not get it out. There you go. Ready to go back in, but I'm not going to peel that yet. I'm going to stick it in. Not stick it in, I'm going to connect the LCD back. This cable's got two little holes, one hole either side. You must locate those into the connector. Rightio, power. Because I'm still not sure whether the LCD is saved. Still not sure if it's saved until she actually finished booting up. Once we've got a full screen. And it looks, oops, looks good. Apart from that bit, copyright, I'll have to censor that. Okay, so all I have to do now is peel my tape. And there you have it, all completed. Just got to give it a bit of a clean up. Bit of alcohol. And there you have it. All complete and charging. Okay, so that's how we do a charge port in a tab SM-T510 2019 tab A 10.1. If you want to change the battery or the port or the screen, you basically have to do the same process. You basically have to remove the screen first and then undo all the chassis to change the port or change the battery. So it's a bit of a job, so just take your time and you should be okay. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.